this Rubik's Cube without seeing this Rubik's Cube with these blindfold, and so let's get started.
Okay.
Hi everyone. So you should be surprised, but that was cheating. To tell the truth, it was already completed. Next, I mix it up with these iFold. Then take these iFold off. Then reverse the video. Yay! Hi everyone. So in last episode, I said that was cheating, and I said why that was cheating, and I said I'm gonna do it with 2 minutes. Okay, don't forget to count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready,
Set,
go!
go. One minute 42
Whoa!
seconds.
Oh, congratulations!
Thank you.
Oh, very nice. Well done. 1 minute 42 seconds. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think this is the high score.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Yes. And bye. Don't forget to subscribe.